Spade bits versus Forstner bits. It's a question I asked myself. I was walking through a store and I saw that these Forstner bits were on sale. And I asked myself, why do I need some of those? I already have some spade bits. They both cut holes. Why would I choose one over the other? This is a question that I asked myself. So I did some research, found some answers. Even though in woodworking, everyone's answer is always different, depending on who you ask. But I found some answers and I'm going to share that information with you because it's a question that you might have yourself. So first off, let's talk about the spade bit. Look at this thing. It's got like a horn, a spike, it's paddle shaped, it's aggressive looking. So who might be using this? This is mostly used by contractors, electricians. Electricians need to pass wires through studs. Imagine you have to do 47 studs, pass a wire through. This is the tool for the job. It's going to be fast. It's going to be efficient. It's going to be rough, right? We're not looking for clean holes. We're looking for rough and fast. Most people will put the spade bit on an impact driver. I mean, you can still use a drill, but generally an impact driver is going to get the job done even quicker. Next up is the Forstner bit. Sleek, cylindrical, flat bottomed. This thing is perfect for making smooth and precise holes. And the flat bottomed feature is what makes it really useful for cabinet makers or custom furniture makers because they're able to stop the depth of the hole at which they're making. Ideally, you would use the Forstner bit on a drill press. It allows you to set the depth of the hole you want and apply downward pressure. You can still use it on a drill. However, you're going to lose a bit of precision because the hole generally won't be super straight if you're just freehanding it. All right, 2x3 spade bit. Fast, aggressive. 2x3 Forstner bit. Slow, requires a lot of downward force. So now let's pretend we wanted to drill a hole halfway down this 1x2. With the Forstner bit, we get a smooth, precise hole. Now, if we wanted to use the spade bit for this job, right, we want to go halfway down. Oh, well, I split the wood. And the reason for that is the spike actually passed through the bottom, right? So we can't get that flat bottom precise hole. It's a lot rougher in there than it is with the Forstner bit. And now what if you wanted to make a bigger hole? Well, now you might have to start looking at the hole saws, and that's a whole nother story. If you have any concerns or any comments, anything to add, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I want to make this channel a place where beginner woodworkers could come, learn, and grow like I'm trying to do myself. If you want to see me use this Forstner bit over 100 times in my last build, here it is. Thanks for watching, guys.